Okay, this is Saturday, August 27th, the day before the storm is supposed to hit, the morning. It's about 20 to 9. The bay's pretty calm now. You have the crab boat out there getting some last minute crabs out of the crab pots. Here's a picture of my dock. Hopefully it'll be there tomorrow night. All my neighbors have gotten their boats off their docks. This is a picture of the Bay Bridge in the distance. Across the bay, it's pretty foggy. That's the capital, Annapolis. That's the Naval Academy there, and then the Annapolis Capitol building right there. So pretty calm now. This is looking south on Kent Island, down the bay, and then looking north towards the Bay Bridge. You can see the clouds coming in now. My backyard. Of course, I boarded up some of the windows to the living room and our bedroom, and my porch there, I'm not going to board that up, at least for now. Hopefully that'll stay.